Also have on the menu charcoal lemonade, which is really popular. It's freaking cool, black lemonade. So the important thing to know is this one does have to be shaked because it has powdered charcoal. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now, and we're going to use this cocktail mixer. For the charcoal lemonade, we're going to do the 32 ounce, which gets about 16 ounces of lemonade. So I went ahead and I measured that out, and we're going to add the proper amount of charcoal. The recipe card calls for 1 tablespoon. I went ahead and added a little bit of ice into the shaker. It helps break apart the powder so that it mixes together with the lemonade much easier. Go ahead and add your charcoal powder and then the lemonade. This is so that we don't run into the problem of having too much or not enough. Hilarious. All right, so we got our cup 75% full with the fresh pressed lemon and our sticker, which is on straight. Now all we have to do is we'll strain our charcoal lemonade into our cup, and look at that. The dark side. You can see how cool the charcoal lemonade looks, and there's no like floating powder. We shook it all up because we had the ice helping break apart the powder chunks in here, and it looks amazing.